Hi, today we're going to make a very easy cat craft, and all you need is black construction paper, some chalk, any color chalk will do, some glue, eyes, ears, and mouth, and I printed these off of the internet. You could just draw some on paper or use another piece of construction paper, whatever you want to do, but the easy part is you're just going to take your chalk. And this is great for kids because they really cannot mess this up. And you're going to make a bunch of lines, and this is all cat fur. And then I'm going to glue on the ears. And I'm using quick dry tacky glue, but you could really use any glue. You could use a stick glue or just a school white glue, any kind. And then you're just going to take your chalk and color over this part. And I'm going to use a crayon for the nose. You could use another piece of chalk, another color. Give him little cheeks. And there you go.